Hello everyone, welcome to Andy's World. Today I'm going to show you how to make jalebis. Jalebi is a famous Indian sweet and it is also a yummy street food. So I'm going to show you how you can make these crispy, juicy jalebis at home. To make nice crispy jalebis, we need maida or refined flour. I'm using 4 tablespoons. In the same measurement or the same spoon, I am using 1 tablespoon of rice flour. This will give nice crispy jalebis. And the same measurement of curd. So 1 tablespoon of curd in the same spoon which I have used other ingredients. So 4 tablespoon maida, 1 tablespoon rice flour and 1 tablespoon of curd. Add water little by little so that it doesn't become too watery and it shouldn't be too thick. It should be in the apt consistency which I am going to show you now. So totally I have used 3 tablespoons of water and I need a little more, so I am adding half a teaspoon more of water. I have used thick curd, so there was hardly any moisture in it, but if you are using very loose curd, then your water level will reduce. So my consistency of this batter is right. It is not very thick like dosa batter and it is not very loose. It is somewhere close to that. If you see, the batter is not flowing very easily and it is not very thick. It is dropping little slow. I am adding quarter teaspoon of food color, lemon yellow color, and give it a good mix. I am adding little bit of red to get that orangish color. So red and yellow will give you that orange color so that the jalebi turns out to be nice orange. You can make yellow jalebis, but I love orange jalebis. So this is done. Can you see the consistency? It is quite thick. It's not too watery. It is not too thick. So it's flowing little slowly. So once your consistency reaches to this level, let's leave this aside for 15 minutes. We need to prepare sugar syrup to soak our jalebis in it. I have taken 1 cup of sugar and 3/4 cup of water and quarter teaspoon of color. I am using yellow color here. Now give this a nice mix so that the sugar gets dissolved in the water completely. The consistency of sugar syrup is very important in this recipe. It shouldn't be too thick or it shouldn't be very loose. It should be at least 1 string consistency. So it's started to boil now. I am adding lemon juice here so that it removes the dirt from the sugar, and the lemon juice will prevent the sugar syrup from being crystallized. It will not become thick. Let's check the consistency of the syrup. It's actually thickened. Now can you see? Take some syrup in between your fingers and when you touch it, it needs to come out like this in 1 string consistency. So this has reached the desired consistency. You can switch off the flame at this stage and try to keep your syrup warm, because it needs to be warm when we fry in our jalebis and it will soak nicely. So let's start frying jalebis. So it's been 15 minutes now. I'm adding quarter teaspoon of soda and give it a mix. Don't over mix. I'm using baking soda, not powder. I'm using a plastic normal bag for you to show how to make jalebis in it. If you have a piping bag, you can use that as well. Insert the piping bag or the cover into a glass. It will be easier for us to pour in the batter into it. Pour in the batter into the piping bag which is kept in the glass. So now just cover or use a rubber band and just tie it up on the top, so like a cone. So time for frying the jalebis. To fry jalebis, use a flat pan or a shallow pan. Now pour in oil required to fry the jalebis. Let it heat nicely. The temperature of the jalebi should be nice and hot when you're pouring in the jalebis into it. Cut the tip of the jalebi cone as per the desired thickness you want. So the oil is nice and hot. Once you pour in the jalebis needs to puff up a bit. If it doesn't puff up, the oil is not hot. I'll show you that later. Can you see it's nicely puffing up? First time you might find it a bit difficult to get that shape. Don't worry about the shape needs to be completely round and all that. So anything close to the shape of jalebi is fine. You will get it slowly when you're trying to pour in the batter. It's come out nicely. Generally store-bought jalebis also would not be perfectly round. It would be like this. So fry it nicely on both the sides until it turns crisp. Once you pour in the batter, turn your flame to low flame. Now it needs to cook on low flames, otherwise it will get burnt. So it's done. Remove it from the oil and immediately put into the sugar syrup. Let the jalebis soak in the sugar syrup for 15 to 20 seconds. If you leave it to soak more than that, like 1 or 2 minutes, then it will become very soggy. It's done. Just remove it from the syrup and leave it on the plate. It's very easy and simple, right? So come, let's prepare the remaining jalebis. So our second batch of jalebis, nice and hot. Keep watching till the end. I'll be telling you some tips for jalebis, do's and don'ts. Always remember to fry on low flame. When you're pouring in the batter in the oil, it needs to be hot. But once the jalebis hit the oil, keep it on low flame. So this is done. Let's put this into the sugar syrup. Yay! Our jalebis are done. So we'll put it in the sugar syrup again. Make sure the sugar syrup is still warm. Now, to keep your jalebis nice and crispy for a longer time, even until the next day is, don't let it soak for longer than 30 to 40 seconds or maximum 1 minute. Otherwise, it will turn soggy. Tip number 2. The reason why I ask you to always keep the oil hot when you're pouring in the batter is because your jalebis will not puff up. Can you see these jalebis are flat? So if you're getting flat jalebis, that means the oil is not hot enough. Presenting crispy and juicy jalebis just for you all. Try this recipe the way I just showed you and leave your comments below. You will end up getting juicy and delicious and crispy jalebis just like hotel at home. So do like, share and subscribe and click on the bell icon for notifications of all my videos. Jalebi is one of my favorite sweet. I hope it's favorite for you as well. Try this recipe at home and see you with another exciting recipe. Until then, take care. Bye bye.